What's up, guys? Welcome to episode number 3 of my Poshmark hobby. In this episode, we're going to go over a simple hack that will double the number of shares that you get. And this is important because when you're trying to get Posh Ambassador, which I'm almost there, you need to get a certain number of self-shares. Now let me show you how to double your shares for self-shares. So right now there's 5,768. So let me just write this down right here. 5768. That's the number of self-shares that I currently have. Now if I go into my closet, I'm actually going to sort by jeans. So if you guys know, you can click closet and then this little funnel guy, and it'll pull up the filters. And I'm going to filter by the category of, let's see, I'm going to do women's jeans. Okay, all jeans. So now there is actually a jean party going on right now. So if I click on this pair of American Eagle jeans, for example, and I click the edit next list button, this is going to share it twice, once to my followers and once to the jean party. I'm just going to, so if I go back now to the Posh stats, which I'm just going to verify here, Posh stats, and then I click on Posh Ambassador, you can see that it went from 5768 to 5770. So this edit next list hack, it's not really a hack, but it's not really explained on the Poshmark website. It's a way that you guys can get basically double the amount of shares to make you go a lot faster. And this is important because I think being a Posh Ambassador gives you a symbol of confidence for your buyers. I haven't spent as much time sharing other people's closets, which I will. So if you guys want to get on Poshmark, I think it's important to learn how to share. I learned the most about what brands to buy from sharing other community people. So I'm not just sharing mindlessly. I'm actually on there looking for what styles. So you guys know on Instagram, I follow a lot of female resellers and they follow me. My audience is 75% female, and that's probably just because of the occupation I have chosen, which is reselling. So in this occupation, especially for clothing and especially Poshmark, it's mainly women. So I'm on here to basically share my journey with you on Poshmark. I do have previous e-commerce experience, and as you can see, I'm almost at 50 sales, which is not bad for just starting out. So I'm pretty excited to see where this journey takes me. But as far, again, if you guys want me to answer any specific Posh questions, please reach out to me. Right now, one of the questions that I'm working with is on offers. Can somebody retract an offer? I'm trying to figure out the exact time period, and the reason why I asked that is because I'm cross-listing on eBay and Poshmark, and a lot of people have brought up the point that what happens if it double sells, because both platforms do not like it if you sell something that is out of stock. In fact, on eBay, if you have 3 or 4 of those, they can actually suspend your account. Probably not permanently, but they will give you, like, you know, they'll reprimand you and say like you're gonna get 1 week suspension or 1 month, or they can actually remove your selling privileges if you sell out of stock too often. And the way that I combat that is I actually price my items a little bit on the high end, and I don't recommend that for everyone. If you're selling on one platform, the more accurate your pricing is, I think a lot of stuff will sell quickly. But since I'm pricing my stuff about 20% too high, people are making an offer. And so what I'm doing is going on to the other platform, ending or removing that listing, and then coming back to the platform where the offer is and accepting that platform to make sure that I don't double book. I've also noticed for sure the same person is making an offer on both platforms just to see where they can get a better deal. And I understand that. A lot of people who shop on Poshmark also shop on eBay, but not necessarily the other way around. And right now, for me, I'm seeing that Poshmark has a lot more hobby sellers. There's a lot of people on Poshmark who are just selling what's in their closet, and that's it. So what that means is they're going to degrade the price because they don't know how to sell, and they're not really trying to make money from it. They're just going to try to empty their closet so they can buy new things. That makes the pricing super weak because they're willing to sell a pair of jeans for $100 that they bought for $100 for $10 just to clear room so they can buy something else, and that makes the market really weak. On eBay, there's definitely a lot more people trying to, I think, flip for more money. There's a lot more resellers on eBay just because of the size of eBay. So that being said, the way Poshmark is set up, it yields 20% more money than me for eBay because of the MSRP, which I talked about before. But again, hopefully this is useful. Please let me know in the comment section below what you need help with specifically, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.